An emotional day at the State House today as parents shared stories of struggle and loss. 22 News State House reporter Ellen Fleming explains why they were there and what they are now fighting for.
Advocates of overdose prevention centers gathered today to speak on why they feel these sites are a necessary tool in fighting the opioid epidemic. Parents who have lost a child and in some cases children to overdoses spoke today in front of a crowded room on how these sites have the potential to save lives. Overdose prevention centers are places where individuals can safely consume their drugs under the supervision of trained professionals. A pair of bills on Beacon Hill would create a pilot program for overdose prevention centers and also include legal protections for staff and clients. Kara Moser of Northampton shared her daughter Eliza's story. Eliza died of an overdose on her 26th birthday, and since then, Moser has become an advocate for overdose prevention centers.
After getting her body to the hospital and getting back to the house, I was just screaming. I was so angry, and I'm saying, where are these safe consumption sites? So I'm here because I am sick and tired of seeing the obituaries, knowing that some of those people that died of overdoses is completely, and that doesn't have to happen.
Not everyone is on board, however. Representative Boldiga said in a statement that reads in part, "I'm not convinced that establishing centers for people to use these dangerous and illegal narcotics is the right policy solution. These centers don't offer the hope and a path toward recovery that those suffering from addiction need and deserve." Governor Healy has signaled in the past she is open to such legislation. Now, overdose prevention centers are not a new idea here on Beacon Hill. Bills on such sites have been filed every year since 2017. Working for you at the State House in Boston, Ellen Fleming, 22 News.